If your skin and your spirit need a little softening, this mask is the ultimate indulgence. Think, a chocolate smoothie for your skin minus the guilt plus the glow. Hi, I'm Samantha Garcia. I'm a licensed esthetician based in Pembroke Pines, Florida. The Cacao Seed Softening Enzyme Mask is one of my favorite skin rituals because it doesn't just exfoliate, it nourishes, restores, and calms. I use it in my treatment room when skin needs a reset and a little love. This mask delivers gentle enzymatic exfoliation powered by glycosaminoglycans and cacao plant compounds while flooding the skin with moisture. The natural cacao aroma soothes the senses and is packed with flavonoids and polyphenols to protect and strengthen the skin. The silky texture hydrates while softening rough patches, and the gentle enzymes work to reveal smoother, more radiant skin without irritation. It's ideal for dull, sensitive, or dry skin types, but truly all skin types can benefit from this barrier-repairing, glow-enhancing formula. Dull skin, you'll see a bright, smooth finish. Dry skin, it boosts hydration and locks in moisture. Oily skin, it helps balance sebum while calming inflammation. This is the kind of mask I recommend when you want visible results but still want to keep things nourishing and gentle. For clients at home, apply a thick, even layer 1 to 3 times a week on clean skin, face, neck, and chest. Let it sit for up to 20 minutes or until it starts to dry, then rinse with tepid water. Follow with a hydrating mist, serum, and either the healing cream for daytime or blue moon overnight mask for a nighttime ritual that seals in all the goodness. Estheticians, I use this mask in so many ways. Under steam, post dermaplaning without steam, as a pre-peel exfoliator, or even layered over a mandelic peel for deeper softening. It also pairs beautifully with nano infusion, my skin buddy, or ultrasonic skin scrubber for enhanced product penetration and results. The Cacao Seed Softening Enzyme Mask is skin therapy and self-care wrapped into one. So whether you're treating yourself at home or getting a luxe facial, it's the glow ritual your skin will crave. Just don't eat it, no matter how good it smells.